What is Ecamm?
Well, it's very simple.
This is a live streaming and video recording software.
A video production software.
Mac-based software
made by Mac lovers or people that use
Mac computer.
that helps you with video production.
It gives you the power to create professional looking videos.
And it is allowing you to do just about anything that you can think of.
Anything you want.
It's as easy to use as dragging and dropping anything else on your Mac.
So that means that you're installing this software on your computer.
There are so many different ways to use Ecamm.
Think of it as an entire television studio shrunk down and put inside your computer.
As simple or as complex as you want it to be.
That could be recording
Live stream.
Producing a podcast.
tutorials and demos and screen shares.
If you create videos, Ecamm has you covered.
I record super professionally and simply without having to do a bunch of editing if you don't want to.
Editing takes forever.
You can lay everything out kind of like a PowerPoint presentation.
So being able to have all of those assets included.
You start at scene 1 and you work through scene Z.
It can be live streaming or multi-streaming.
You can switch between different camera angles, share your screen.
Ecamm makes it really, really easy.
That's how you get everything all in one.
This is a great tool for anyone who wants to elevate the quality of their video content
And it looks so great.
without needing a degree in broadcast production.
Plus the community is really awesome.
Ecamm.
Ecamm.
Ecamm has you covered.
This allows you to shine like you.
Come hang out with us. Ecamm Fam. Woo. Yes, I just dabbed. Keeping it in. Okay, bye.